Hello students, welcome to All Mentor Math channel. So today I am going to solve one question regarding tangent normal topic. And that topic I already had discussed in my previous lecture. You can check it out in my previous lecture also. Okay. So now comes to it that questions. Look at that question, that is the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5 parallel to the line 2y is equal to 4x plus 1, comma, also passes through the point option A, B, C, D be given. So from these four options, you have to choose any one. And that question already came in your JEE Main 2019 paper. Very nice question. So how you have to find that passing point? So focus the solution. Okay. So look at that. Look at the given curve. So you can draw like that way. One curve is given, so that is, let us take y is equal to fx, and that is given already, x square minus 5x plus 5. And also you can draw another tangent. Let us draw one tangent like that way. This is a tangent line, that is your tangent line. Okay, tangent line, and this is your point of contact, and you have to find the equation of tangent line as well as that line is parallel to another line. Okay, so already given that line, that is your 2y is equal to 4x plus 1. So this line is given, this 2y is equal to 4x plus 1, this is your given line. And look at this tangent line, these two lines are parallel each other according to your question. And you know that from straight line chapter, if two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes are equal. Okay, so that means this is your tangent line. Tangent line means also straight line, and this is your another straight line, they are the parallel. That means slope of tangent is equal to slope of that particular given line, because they are the parallel lines. So comes to the main point. So first of all, so using this condition, mainly you have to using this condition, parallel condition, you have to find the equation of tangents. So first of all you have to find the equation of tangent, and you know that equation of tangent how we have to write. Okay, so comes to equation of tangent, that is y minus y1 is equal to dy dx, that is your slope at the particular point. This is your slope of tangent into x minus x1. Here x1 and y1 is your passing point, this 2 is your passing point. Okay, so this 2 point is your passing point, you already know. Okay, so next comes to the main issue, that is your this slope of tangent, because these two tangent line and the line, given line, both are the parallel, so that their slopes are equal. Okay, so now first of all find the slope of tangent. Comes to your slope of tangent. So how you have to find slope of tangent? Just dy dx, and you according to your question already given y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. So this is your given curve. So clearly you can easily find the derivative of this function. Okay, so what is the derivative of x square? That is your 2x. Next, what is the derivative of 5x? Only 5, and constant term is your 0. So that means you got the value 2x minus 5. So this is your slope of tangent line. Okay, so that is your 2x minus 5. Now comes to the given straight line. So what is your given straight line? That is 2y is equal to 4x plus 1. This is your given straight line. Okay, straight line. And from any straight line, how you have to find slope? You know already in your straight line chapter. You know that how you have to find slope for y equal to mx plus c. So this is your general straight line form, and here coefficient of x is your slope of line. Okay, so similarly you can represent that straight line as y equal to mx plus c form. That is, y is equal to, this 2 is a divide, so 4x by 2 plus 1 by 2, that means you got the value 2x plus half. So just compare, look at these two forms. So what is your coefficient of x? That is your 2. That means the slope of the given line is equal to 2. You can write here slope of given line, let us take m, is equal to coefficient of x is 2, that is your 2. Okay, so that is your slope of tangent, slope of the given line. So slope of the given line, 2y is equal to 4x plus 1 is equal to 2, as well as slope of tangent, you got the value 2x minus 1. Now, according to your question, this tangent line and this given line both are parallel to each other. And parallel to each other means their slopes are equal. So you can equate them. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of line. From that expression, you can get another expression. Okay. Okay. So copy please. Next. Now you found that already, that is slope of tangent is equal to, let us take m1 dy dx equal to 2x minus 5, and now comes to your slope of given line which is equal to m, let us take m2 is equal to 2. So now from straight line chapter, you know that if two lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel, so their slopes are equal. That means you can write m1 is equal to m2. So here let us take m1 means slope of tangent. Let us take slope of tangent is m1, that is your 2x minus 5 is equal to slope of given line. Let us take m2, m is equal to 2. You can equate them, so that from that expression you got the value 2x equal to 5 plus 2 7, and x value is equal to 7 by 2. So you got the value x is equal to 7 by 2. So from x you can find easily that is y coordinate also. So from given curve y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. So put here x is equal to 7 by 2. So that means 7 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 7 by 2 plus 5, because you substitute x equal to 7 by 2, because our requirement you have to find the value of y. Okay, so now 7 by 2 whole square, you got the value 49 by 4. Next 35, 5 7 is 35 by 2 plus 5. You can take LCM, that is 4, and 49 minus 30, that is your 70, then 20. So you got the value actually, that is minus 15 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so you got the value y. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4. That means you have, or you got the value x is equal to 7 by 2 and y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Actually, this point, this x and y gives the point of contact. Okay, so that means passing point. Okay, passing point means point of contact. Here xy, let us take here is xy. So point of contact P, or that point, that is also on this 2 point also lie on your curve. So that point you already find. So that means P, let us take x1 y1, you can represent that is actually x and y, which is equal to x means your that is your 7 by 2 and this is your minus 1 by 4. So you got the point of contact. How you have to got? So look at this, the process. So now you got the value point of contact, that is px1 comma y1. Okay, so that is your actually xy. Okay, so copy please. Now we got the value passing point of tangent, that is point of contact. This is your point of contact, that is px1. This passing point means point of contact here P. Okay, point of contact, that is not passing point, this passing point, this is your point of contact. You got the value x1 y1 7 by 2 minus 1 by 4. And also you got the value slope of derivative means slope of tangent, that is derivative is equal to 2. Now comes to the point equation of tangent. You have to find equation of tangent line, that is y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at the point P x1 y1 into x minus x1. So here x1 value is your 7 by 2, y1 is your minus 1 by 4. So y1 replaced by minus 1 by 4. That slope of tangent, already you know that 2 value, because this tangent line and line given line parallel to each other, so that their slopes are equal. So that also this 2y plus 4x plus 1, it gives the slope equal to 2. That means slope of tangent also gives 2. So that is you can represent by 2 into x minus x1 is your 7 by 2. Now calculate, you got the value y plus 1 by 4, and you can multiply 2x minus 2 into 7 by 2, you got 7. So that you got the LCM 4y plus 1 by 4 equal to 2x minus 7. So cross multiply, so you got 4y plus 1 is equal to 8x minus 28, and you got the value, you can write like that way also, 8x minus 4y is equal to, that is your 29. Okay, so you can take common also 4, no issue, but you got the equation of tangent which is 8x minus 4y equal to 20 now. Still now our job is not done. Now you have to check, comes to your option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So one by one you have to put here either this point satisfy this equation of tangent line, yes or no, either this point satisfy this equation of tangent line, yes or no, either this point satisfy this equation of tangent, yes or no, either this point satisfy this equation of tangent, yes or no. So you have to check, you have to satisfy x and y, either left hand side equal to right hand side. If it is yes, then the point satisfy, and that is our solution. Passing point, the tangent line passing through in between any 4 of 1. Okay, so comes to the next part. Now you got the equation of tangent, that is your 8x minus 4y is equal to 29. So look at these 4 options. So first option you can take for option A. So 1 by 4, 7 by 2. Either this point passes through that line, yes or no, you have to check. That means you have to substitute x by 1 by 4. So 8 into 1 by 4, and y substitute by 7 by 2. 4 into 7 by 2, which is implies or equal to, that is equal to right hand side is your 29. So it is true or false, you have to check. 4 to the 8, 2 minus 2 to the 4, that is your minus 14. Right hand side is 29. So if you don't write 29, just calculate either 29 it comes or not, you have to just check. Okay, so not equal to right hand side. So this is equal to, you got the value minus 12, which is not equal to 29. So that means this is not satisfied. Okay, so first option is your not correct. So you have to check one by one. Okay, so next comes to your second option B, that is your 7 by 2 comma 1 by 4. That means x value you have to replace by 7 by 2, y value you have to replace by 1 by 4. So that means 8 into x replaced by 7 by 2 minus 4 into y means 1 by 4. So that value either equal to 29 or not, you have to check. So 2 4s are 8, so 7 4s are 28, minus 4 cancel, minus 1, we get the value 27, which is not equal to 29. Okay, so that means this option is also not correct. Okay, so cancel this second option also. Now comes to your third option. Now comes to your third option, that is option C is your minus 1 by 8 comma 7. So x value minus 1 by 8, y value 7, you have to substitute here. So that means 8 into minus 1 by 8 minus 4 into y substitute by 7. So that implies 8 cancel, minus 1 and minus 28. That means minus 29, which is not equal to 29. So that means again this option is not correct. That means obviously clearly this option is your correct, because all 3 is wrong. That means this last option obviously is correct, but still we have to check. So comes to your option number D, that is 1 by 8 comma minus 7. That means x replaced by here 1 by 8 and y replaced by, that is your minus 7. So that means here you can substitute 8 into 1 by 8 minus 4 into minus 7. That means you got 8 cancelled, 1 minus plus 28, which is equal to 29. So clearly both are equal to 29. So that's why this option is correct. So this point, this 1 by 8 comma minus 7, this 1 by 8 comma minus 7 satisfy this equation of tangent line. That means obviously this point lie on the equation of tangent or tangent line. Okay, so that is our requirement, passing through. So passing through that point 1 by 8 comma minus 7. This is your correct option. Okay, student, thank you.